Trader, ladies and gentlemen, we want to welcome you here to our channel. This is Simon Gunn, and today is Tuesday. Traders, we're now having another session here. Traders, we're excited to tune in. It's almost 7 p.m. in 3 minutes, less than 3 minutes, ladies and gentlemen. We're starting a new session. Yesterday, we closed a little bit late yesterday. Anyway, we don't have a typical time. We have to close sometime. We might go above 10 or less than 10, depending on what we're doing. So we're now going to the new session today. It's section 101, traders. So soon we will start now analyzing our trade, and I want to welcome those in French as well before we start doing that. Mesdames, Mesdemoiselles, Messieurs, chers traders, bienvenue une fois de plus sur notre chaîne Trade Africa. Je suis Samuel Ngon et aujourd'hui c'est mardi. Trader, aujourd'hui c'est mardi. Hier était lundi. Nous avons passé une très, je peux dire bonne journée hier dans l'ensemble. Alors, même si à la fin, nous avons essayé de dépasser le temps que nous avions l'habitude d'arrêter, mais néanmoins, tout était bien, même si on a fini légèrement au rouge. C'est bon. Nous allons aujourd'hui commencer la soirée et je vous invite de prendre vos places et nous disons bonsoir, bonjour, bonne nuit pour certains, dépendant de votre localité. So, trader, we need to start analyzing our trade here. We need to go to our daily chart. We see that the market went up. Today, the market started up, and now it's trying now to rebound back down. As you can see, we have a bullish engulfing candle, traders. So, in the Japanese, we see bullish engulfing candle as well. That is our daily chart everywhere. Went up all day. So we don't know what we can do today, trader. We're going to do today. I'm not sure. But what is true is that we have to start looking at our trade for the downside, trader. So this is our daily chart, but now let's go to our 4 hours. You see our 4 hours coming down on the traders. That is our 4 hours. We see that we're pulling back down. We are now on the support, almost. Going back down 4 hours in all our trade. So trader will see how we're coming back down with the 4 hours after this big move. So it's very important to keep that in mind. Like yesterday, we have a move up, but the market now finally started coming down yesterday. We spent all evening, the market was just coming down and down and down and down. So we don't know if we're going to have the same thing today, trader. We don't know. We may have it. So we need to look our market, the downside, trader. So let's see. We remind you guys that those who are new to our channel can go ahead and subscribe. I think yesterday we have 2 subscriptions, which is great. We really appreciate that. We're not expecting it, you know, it's good. So we're moving in the right direction here. Trader, on disait que nos trades, quand nous voyons ce que nos traders ont fait dans la journée, nous voyons que nous avons tellement poussé vers le haut et pour l'instant nous sommes en train de revenir vers le bas. Donc nous allons garder notre œil sur le short qui est la descente. Nous allons garder notre œil là-bas. Donc nous allons voir, parce que quand nous regardons par exemple euro, japonais, nous voyons que nous sommes en train de descendre à la troisième bougie. Donc, c'est bien. Nous continuons à regarder nos trades. Trader. So it's already 7 p.m. Eastern time here, ladies and gentlemen. We have 4 minutes after 7 here. All our technical analysis, most of them are below. So let's see. Thank you. I can't answer you here in my thank you. Mr. Mate, thank you for greeting us here. Thank you. So we're checking the market for the downside. Right now, I'm checking the market for the sell at this time. Yeah. Actually, you are Japanese. Yes, you are Japanese. I'm looking at this market for the short today. I know yesterday it happened. That is what I said at the beginning, that I gotta look at market at the short. We see this big move for 4 hours. If you see here, you're gonna understand. Okay, this is my other monitor here. You see how the market went up. That is 4 hours. Yesterday we was trading this downside. Yesterday, So we were trading yesterday here. We traded this one yesterday night. So it came down yesterday night, and now it reversed. It reversed here yesterday, and now we move during the day. We move this. We have this, this engulfing candle, bullish engulfing candles. Sorry. We have this bullish engulfing candle moving up. So, and when the market move up like this, people have to take profit. People are taking profit now. Let's say you were in the market, for example. Let's say you long at this position here. You took a long position as a swimmer. If you were a swimmer, you took this position, for example. I can maybe widen it a little bit. Okay, let's say you took this position as a swimmer. You entered the market here because you were expecting the market to continue up. And now, unfortunately, the market went down with you. You were deep here. You place your stop maybe below here at the swimmer. Let's say you place your stop at this level. Okay. Now, if you place your stop at this level here, and now the market come down and you reverse here with you, you were in the deep water at this level, very deep water. And now, what are you going to do when the market now come and retest you? What are you going to do? Are you going to expect the market to break here and keep going up with you? No. Human psychology will tell you that, hey, you know what? This is a loss from here to down to this level. I was scared that the market would continue down, but now the market came and retest my entry point. I'm going to get out. Thank God. That is how 99% of people are going to do. And don't also forget, those who enter the market at this level and they came here, what are they going to do? They're going to take profit. Those who were also in the market at this level, what are they going to do? Because yesterday, when I left the market, this is where the market was, at this level. And now the market turned around now. You see what we're having right now. So, according to me, we are on the resistance here. We hit the resistance. We're now, rebouncing down. It might just be a retest to keep going up. It's possible. It might just be a retest to keep going up. So we can wait for the support, at this level here. That is what I'm thinking. So maybe this is the Australian Japanese, which is the 2 market opening this evening, Australian Japanese, which is great to look at it. When you got a trading section of Asia session, you gotta have Australian Japanese in your chart. Very, very, very important, trader. Very, very important. Because that are the 2 market we're trading right now. So that is my analysis, trader. I'm not asking you to do what I'm saying, but I'm just asking you to try to to understand. That is my own analysis. Donc je disais que quand nous regardons le marché à ce niveau, nous voyons que les gens qui sont entrés dans ce marché ici là, qui ont pris, par exemple ceux qui ont perdu, qui étaient entrés ici et ils sont venus, ils étaient dans l'eau, comme on peut appeler, ça veut dire dans la perte, et que le marché retourne vers le haut, qu'est-ce qu'ils feront? Ils vont tout de suite vendre. Si c'était moi, si le marché revient à mon entrée, que j'avais perdu tout ceci, je vais vendre. Alors, c'est ça mon analyse. Je pense que ce marché pourra aller vers le bas ce soir. Même si ça ne va pas vers le bas, mais ça peut retester ce support que j'ai tracé. Au moins ici. Et ça, c'est Australie, Japon. Donc, nous devons prendre ça au sérieux. C'est les 2 marchés que nous tradons cet après-midi ou ce soir. Donc, c'est important de les garder dans votre chart, si possible. Voilà. So, let's now focus ourselves in our trade here, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome all of you guys who tune in here with me. Very grateful. those who are new to our channel, you guys can subscribe. We're very grateful for the new to subscriber. Subscribe today. We're very grateful, and we're building our community slowly. We're not here for today or for tomorrow. We're here to last. You know. Thank you for the compliment here. Very happy. Abeseman. You know, if you forgive me if I pronounce your word, maybe just rush it. You know. So those who are new to our channel, you know, you guys can subscribe. It's good to build a community. We're working here to, you know, to move forward. We want to build a big community so that people can learn how to trade. We're here to learn how to trade. We are not making money yet. You know, we're not making money yet, and we hope we're not making money yet. As I was saying, one day we'll make money, but now we're not making money. So I'm sorry for my volume. I gotta buy another professional. I don't know if it's my computer because the volume keep going down. I don't know why. I don't know if it's my computer who does that or my microphone. I gotta buy a sophisticated microphone maybe next time. Thank you. I love it. I love to hear that. Thank you. Even though I don't reply with a chart, you guys gotta understand that it's not that I'm not hearing you. I'm hearing you very well, but you know, my hand cannot just type at the same time. Okay, so you're watching us from Morocco. Yeah, but remember, you already visited us here one day. You know, you came here last time, and you were saying that I don't. Maybe it's the first time. I'm not sure. I think that maybe you have been watching us for a couple of times. Anyway, it's good to hear that people are watching us from Africa, from Morocco. Very grateful. So very, very grateful. My volume keep going down and down, you know. So I don't know why. Anyway, let's watch the market. Thank you so much. Nice to hear that people like what we're doing. Very, very nice to hear that. You know, sometimes you start something, you don't know that people maybe like it until they tell you. Very nice to hear that. Our channel is bilingual. You gotta remain bilingual. I'm sorry for those who don't understand both languages, but you know, we started this channel. We started bilingual, and we gotta keep it as it is. You know, because our goal is to help both English and French. And we tune in here every day at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. We do all our effort, you know, to respect that time every day. And we calling you guys to come and, you know, learn with us. We're learning how to trade. We're not making money. That is why we encourage you guys to take this demo account if possible. Or if you want to risk something, maybe using the real money, our advice is to use a very tiny account, you know, very, very tiny account. I can place my my sound here. You see how my microphone volume keep going down. I don't know. If somebody have idea, I did a troubleshooting here, but it keep going down, progressing. When I place on the 100, I start speaking, the volume start going down and down. As you can see, the volume go down. You can see how it start going down. So it goes 90, 81%, so 75%. They keep doing this until the volume goes zero. I don't know why it's doing this. Maybe somebody have idea, someone who knows, maybe computer more. I don't know what is doing this. I keep putting 100, keep going back down. I don't know. That is the problem we have in here. I don't know if it's a problem of microphone or it's a problem of my computer. I troubleshooted it, I did a troubleshooting, but it doesn't work. I keep doing this, distracting me a lot. So that is the problem I'm facing here. Now we're moving up, traders. We're moving up. Good push. Good push here after 20. Above 20. It's good. Traders. We're moving up. Watching here. I need to allow the trade to go up. Maybe go to the resistance here. This more resistance. We go here, we'll be fine. We're watching our trade. No, I'm not anticipating the shorting right now. I gotta wait. Yeah, the trade, maybe if this trade keep going up, because the reason I didn't take the trade for the long side is that when we look at our trade, we see that we are downtrend. So I wasn't sure. When I'm not sure on something, I prefer to let it go instead to risk, instead to risk on it. I prefer to let it go, traders. So, okay, that's fine. Yes, I can't now. We don't need to jump the gun here. That is the problem we're having, because we're jumping the gun. It's not good to jump the gun. We need to let the trade, forming, and the pattern. We need the pattern to form and to see the direction of the market instead to jump the gun. Most of the losses I had was that I was predicting the market, anticipating the move, and when I anticipate the move like that, and most of the time I loss. So let's wait and see what the market going to do. Everybody are welcome here. Everybody are welcome, and we appreciate your time and your participation, traders. This is the community we're building, and we hope this community help a lot of people, because there is plenty of money in the market. Nobody could finish that money. There is a lot of trillions of dollars in the market. What we just need is just to take a small share of it. And even though we have millions of people connecting here and following us, let's say we become profitable, millions of people connect and they make money along with us, that is not a problem. It's not a problem. I would be very happy to do that. Because the way we trade here, we trade very slowly. We allow everybody to enter the trade, So that when that time will come, even though we're trading here along with people, along with millions of people, no problem. We take money out of the market. Yeah. So I'm still watching here. No trade. I can say that this is not bad to enter here. But know that if you enter this trade here, you're going to place your stop above. Your stop gotta be here above. But if you're comfortable, you can reduce your shares or your quantity, and enter the trade there, here, and place your stop far away. You understand? Let's say you were taking maybe 100 shares. Let's talk about the stock market, for example. You were taking 100, and now you want to enter the trade here. You can reduce your quantity, like I'm doing right now, to go short, because I don't trust the trade. Now I went short with a small quantity, traders, very small quantity, and I reduced my quantity here, and I placed my stop above. That is a good trade. It's not bad to trade like this, because I don't trust the trade. I took 4, and now I placed my stop on that level. And until the trade start moving in my direction, now I will be able to act on the quantity. So, like here, place my stop above here. So if I lose that small quantity of trade, it won't damage my account, because the stop is too far. Stop, you can place the stop here above this candle, which is good. And now we start to trade. I took my first trade, traders, 4 trade, and now with a small quantity, let's see. I took 4 trader for a short. Say 5, yeah, 5 trade for short, and I reduced my quantity here a lot. I took just a little bit just to test the water. Very nice, because I don't trust the trade. This trade might keep going up. In case it does, it won't damage my account, because my stop, as you can see, my stop is far here. So it's not bad to trade like this, traders. And my target one gotta be below this. I want to see breaking, downtrend breaking. That is my target here, below this guy here. I can just place here 1-to-1 risk reward here on the 200 yen, 1-to-1. This guy as well. This guy as well. Place here target on 200 yen, exponential moving average. This guy here as well. Target here, trader. Target the 200 yen. So that is my plan. That is my plan. I can say that I took it on the resistance. So I took my first 5 trade, ladies and gentlemen, for the short. But I took a very small quantity, very, very, very small, tiny one. Sorry. I took a very small quantity. So people want also to do it. I don't recommend it, but if you want to, just a little bit, just a little bit. Je peux quelques trades sur le short, mais avec très petite quantité. Moving up on Australia Japanese. Go ahead and test. We have a lower high. Now, maybe we might expect high low in Australia Japanese. Even though we don't get it, we'll have our stop above there. Coming back down on the GBP. Nice. If we come below our 20, I may add another quantity on it. I may double. Trying to see also China. We're moving a little bit down. I want to see if we can go with China here, Twitter. I place my stop above. I didn't reduce my size on China, but forgot to do that. It's okay. Let's see. Watching. since I did, sorry, since I didn't reduce my stop on China, I need to lower my risk on it. I lower my risk on China because I'm carrying a lot of 3 times. So I prefer reducing my risk on China. Because you need to risk according to your stock, according to the size of your account size. You can risk based of your account size. You can't have a tiny account and now you're risking too much. This doesn't make sense. So, trader, I can add again here. Yep, I'm adding on my trade. I'm adding here. I added. And here I place another stop. This time, this one gonna be above here. I'm not risking too much of that one. This one is here. I risk. So let's see. Always placing your stop. That is your risk in the market. Very important, traders. Before you do any other things, the stop in the market is very, very important because this stuff, you see, Forex, before you open your eyes, the blink of the eyes, like, the spike may even, blow out your account. So, for that reason, we need to be careful. Always moving with your stop. Your stop have to be your friend. That is your risk. Your risk management. You take a trade, place the stop in the market. Don't trade without stop like other people does. Don't do that. Even you can even trade without target, but the stop have to implement there. You have to be there. Your stop. Very, very, very important. You need to have stop in the market. Trader. Very important. We'll keep telling you that. Important to have stop. No matter how quick you want to be, no matter how quick you want to take a trade, because some people say this is a quick trade, so you take it and now it doesn't unless your software or your broker doesn't allow you to stop. But what are you going to trade with a broker where you cannot place the stop in the market? Why? Don't trade with that kind of broker because your money is exposed. Always have stock in the market. Moving down. We're moving down, readers. moving down. We're already lower on the GBP. Move our target a little bit down. I'm moving my target a little bit lower. Watching. I can here maybe I could have because I'm here I could have sell one, the first one, could have sell it, but since profit is just tiny one, I can keep holding. Keep holding here to see if it can break. Keep holding. Watch it. I want to see Osaka going to the new low. New low. We're approaching 8. Trader, I'm still on 6 trade or short. The trade came below, but they are bouncing. Hopefully that is just a retest. Hopefully that we have just a retest here. I want to keep holding this trade. Want to see USD Japanese breaking the 50. If our trade break the support, here I will add again this level. Australia want to keep coming down, which is great. Want to see Australia breaking. Want to see GBP breaking the moving average. See a rebound on Australia. Rejection. Hopefully just a retest. Twitter. See holding. Some kind of break on euro. Great. GBP as well. Keep moving my target here. Nice. Keep coming down. China. Want to see your Japanese breaking here the 50. Want to see your Japanese breaking the 50. Twitter. Also Australia. I want to see Australia turning red. The euro is doing great. Coming down. Australia is pulling back. Want to see Australia moving down. Want to see our break, our trade breaking? I'm seeing here. I haven't get out of the trader. Started pulling back. Want to see Australia just retesting. Continuation down. I'm still holding my trade here, trader. Expecting the trade to move to the new lower. We're approaching 8, trader. 9 minutes. To 8. Hopefully the mistake we made yesterday will not repeat here. Let's see if I have a new loan. Trader. Look like we want to get a new lower here. Want to see China, Japanese come in lower. Australia also. See here, I'm risking that gain. My profit, I'm risking it. I'm still holding the short, trader. Let's see. approaching to 8. Less than 4 minutes here. Gonna get to 8. Let's see. Want to see our trade coming down? Let's see. I'm still holding here. Short. Moving down. Trader, want to see our trade coming here and breaking this one, coming down. So let's see, we're now almost at 8. Want to see if we're going to break. I'm holding here. Want to see our trade coming to a new low. Traders, I'm not sure we're going to get it. Gotta be ready to bail out in case I see big move upside. Now we're now 8 p.m. Almost. In case it doesn't work, we'll bail out. Great. Coming down. Great. Keep moving. Want to push down. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Let's see if it's holding here. Pushing down. Nice. Okay, I'm taking this small profit, trader. It's not too small, but it's good. Took that one, trader. Took my first profit. So let's wait where the market is going. Took that profit. Let's see. I don't want to miss that profit, trader. Gotta wait and see where the market is heading. Because if I have that kind of profit, it's good to take it. So let's wait and see the retest. Nice move. So let's see. Keep going down. We'll wait for some kind of move up. Nice. I can now add a little bit my quantity, just a little bit. So keep going down. Congratulations for those who was on the trade. Okay, trader. I want to re-enter this trade. I want to re-enter the trade here. I'm re-entering the trade for short. I'll try to hold this trade as long as I can. So, look like the trade have way to go. Normally, this is the real stop here for this evening. The long stop, but you know, very long stop. So let's see. See, this is the real stop here, but I don't know if I can afford it. I'm risking again my profit. Risking again the profit made. So let's wait and see. Gotta be patient. Watching. So let's see. Australia is coming down. Want to see a continuation. All our trade. With Japanese as well. Trader, we're still holding the downside here. We don't want to make the mistake we made yesterday. No. No long position today. I mean, not yet. I'm not saying that we cannot long, but not yet. We still have a gap on the 4 hours. Twitter. Australia have to come down. On the support, Australia. That is the way I made a line in Australia before. That Australia could have come down there. Maybe we may have a break. Continuation of Australia. Going to see a new low. I'm still on the trade for the short. I'm gonna see a new low here. We know we can have some rebound there, but I think that even though we have a rebound there, it wouldn't go far, you know. Slowly are coming down. It's good. Want to see our trade coming to a new low. No, it's hard to believe that can go to a new low here, but I think we're gonna go probably. Watching. Watching, trader. Nice. Want to see a new lower? Great. Rejection. Oh, good. Want to see a new lower coming down? Pushing down. Keep pushing. Nice. Nice. Coming down. Want to see our trade coming down? Nice. Great push. Want to see a complete break-in? I'm taking this. I don't know what this candle is going to do. Okay, I'm out of the trade here. Trader, it's great. Because I don't know what that candle would have done. Nice, here. Turn bond trade. Trader will move in the right direction here. going down. A big drop on Australia Japanese trader. Japanese broke. It's great. To break this support, big support. The Japanese broke it. We are already here on E30. We'll take a small break, traders. I'm back here. So we see a rebounds back up. What we want to see is that we want to see maybe two green candles here approaching the 50 at US Japanese, and then come back down. Even here it's not bad. If you can see reversal at that point, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to reduce my quantity here and go short on this trade. I reduce my quantity. I'm going short here as well. I reduce my quantity. I'm taking a short. Trader. I reduce my quantity there. Taking a short. Want to see? Sorry. So, and my stop gotta be above 20 here. Above the 50, my stop. Twitter. So let's see. Let's see Twitter. Which Japan you want to see it down. I want also to take China. Trade on 6 trade for short. Reduce my quantity. Let's see. moving up. I'm out of China. I'm already out of China with a loss. Approaching my stops. We broke the 20. It's not good. Okay. Wrong here, trader. Was wrong, trader. I'm getting out of the trade with a loss. So let's see. That is my first losing trade. Let's see. Keep moving up. Nice. Good move. Thank you. This is a very bullish, you know, trend, but I thought you're going to stop here at 20 EMA and turn back, but keep going. I gotta wait for him here on top. So we'll need to see. That was my first attempt. I don't get it. Let's see. Moving up. It's a good move, trader. I wasn't there. Keep moving up nicely. Wow. So you need to see if you got a hole here or break. And now turning green. 4 hours. Want to see a rejection there. We are now on the 50. So if I go short here, I gotta place my stop somewhere above, trader, and try again for the second time and see if we can, let's see. See if we can break there. I'm going short here, trader. I'm going short also here on all my trade. I see. Gonna attempt here again. If it doesn't work, I will keep my remaining profit. Twitter, keep it. But this is another attempt. I'm trying. This one I jumped a little bit the gun because I saw a rejection just. I don't know what will happen. If I break again here, this is a big resistance there. So if I break, continue up, I will, let's see. See if I go to break there. I'm approaching my stop. So I want to break. Just trying to see. We're gonna break there. We're gonna break there. We're gonna reject. If I break, I'm gonna take a loss and keep my other profit. Close to Japanese. Look like I'm going to take a loss everywhere. Okay, so this one, I leave it like this one, yeah. I'm going to leave it as it is. I prefer to keep my profit on this account. Trader, this is a big move. Wow. This one is the huge one. So I'm going to change my account. I keep the profit on that one. I change the account, trader. Change the account. So I need to be careful. That kind of move, we need to be careful, trader. Need to be careful. Chasing up. Green candle. I change my account. We need to follow the trend. I couldn't catch anything from this one. Sometimes it happens. Need to wait and see. That is why it's important to have stop on the market. Sorry. Very, very important. Imagine that you were here without stop. You know, we're trading this one without stop. What would you get? That is why stop is important. Sorry. We're Japanese on the support. Resistance here. Trying to see, maybe gotta go down back. Let's see. If I place a stop here, I will probably place my stop both those two. Stop here both. I don't know. I'm just testing. Place my stop. Maybe it may come back up. Sorry, trader. Let's see. here on the short. After this big move, trying to see if it can come to the 20. Where Japanese doesn't move. Let's see our trade coming to the 20. I'm taking this one. Taking this one, trader. Took that one. Took this pullback. Wasn't bad. It's good. Nice pullback. See how trade keep going down. just took a little bit on it. Coming back down. So trader, we're here waiting and see, checking. We don't know if this gotta be just a small retracement and continuation down, or I don't know. I think this may be on the support on the Australia Japanese. The other guy we don't know. We are pushing 10. Because this was a pullback. We don't know. Trying to see. I need to see if I can take this guy for a short. To just 1 trade for short to see. Doesn't work. Great. Nice. Broke now. So Japanese. Want to see a pullback or you are Japanese? Took this one for long. Very Japanese. See? Took a long position. Placing my stop. So I already placed it. approaching 10. So we're coming up, but look like we want to come down. Not good. Want to see rejection. Slowly coming down. Want to see rejection. See green candle. Rejection. Okay, I'm out my trade. Trader. It's okay for today. So, leaving like this. Keep a small profit here on this. So, keep going down. I thought maybe we're going to have some kind of reversal here. But, don't get it. I got to go a small green day, trader. That's fine for today. So trader, we're gonna stop here. We'll come back here again tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eastern Time, trader. It was a pleasure for me to trade. Yeah. So, see you again tomorrow. Ça a été un plaisir pour moi de trade avec vous et nous allons nous revoir demain. Merci beaucoup d'avoir participé, nous avoir assisté. Alors, nous nous reverrons demain à 19h, temps de New York. Voilà. Passez des bons moments et à demain.